With all of the work and infertility chaos going on right now in our lives, my hubby and I decided to pile on some more stress and move. But seriously, this is going to be such a good thing for us, being closer and with family, saving money, and just having the extra support we need during this time is really going to help us in the long run. So far, we did all the little DIY renovations we needed to get our new space ready. We started building furniture, and now we need to tackle our current condo space. Welcome to part 2 of the moving series. Hello, Kobe. Seriously, dude? This week, I have a lot to get done. We are like 3.5 weeks out from moving, and there is so much that needs to be done. Over the weekend, Alan and I actually went through our storage locker at our condo because we have a crap ton of stuff in there, and we were just figuring out like what we need, what we want, what we need to throw out, and all of that. So that is what I just did. I threw everything out at my office garbage bin because they're going to be picking it up on Wednesday. We definitely probably have some more things that we need to get rid of, but we are going to be pretty much decluttering all week. We're obviously downsizing a little bit, but it's nice because my mother-in-law does have a storage unit, so we can put some stuff in there. I am home now, and honestly, I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. It's so hard because I can't do as much as I want to do because, like, for example, we need a lot of the things in our condo until like the very last second, like our pots and pans and plates and cups. So I think for right now, I'm just gonna declutter what I can. The main areas I'm thinking about is like summer stuff. So like summer shoes, mainly summer clothes that would need to be packed away anyways because we're heading into winter. And then I definitely want to tackle like storage areas, like under the sink in both of my bathrooms, that type of stuff. The first thing I think I'm gonna do is start putting away like summer shoes. I have so many sandals here, as well as I have a bunch of stuff on the bottom here, like you can't even see, they're underneath and like to the side. I have these bigger Amazon boxes that I got from Prime Day stuff I ordered, so I think I'm gonna throw all of the shoes and sandals in this one, and then I can close it up and label it. I also do have these types of sandals, but I think they're really good to just keep for any time of the year because like even socks and sandals, like if I'm just like going in the backyard at my mother-in-law's house and letting Kobe out to pee, I could just kind of slip these on. So I think I might keep these ones out. But all of my other sandals fit in this box literally perfectly. Just labeled it Kayla Summer Sandals. This is our second bathroom, and first of all of these helimix shaker bottles, I'm gonna have to either give away or donate them or something because I have so freaking many. These are ones that are unused. What I kind of want to go through right now is under my sink because as you can see, it is a hot mess. This used to be organized, but because now that we're moving, I haven't really cared about it. I also want to go through things in here, like sorting what I can throw out, what we need to take with us. I have a bin in our storage that is for party stuff. So like all of these tissue papers and bags and like this is cards, that can go in there because that's just going to be stored as is in a bin at my mother-in-law's. Like I don't need it in this drawer. So let's get on that. Brief update on the mess. I have almost a full bag of garbage. This is everything I'm going to keep. This can go in Alan's car just because they're microfiber towels. These things I need to ask him about because they're like tool stuff. All of this birthday stuff I'm going to bring to our storage and put it in the bin so it's out of the way. I'm going to keep this in the bathroom at my mother-in-law's, and then these are just extra Ziploc bags, which are always good. Instead of her buying more, I'll just bring those. And then the batteries and like these hooks, I'm going to wait till Alan gets home to see what he wants to do with with that. I was able to get the 2 bins down to 1. So this is like all the stuff that we use and need. And then this side is all of the cleaning stuff, which I'm not going to throw away yet, obviously. I need to use all this stuff for the next 3 weeks to clean our house. But then this drawer is everything's out. So it's feeling a little bit better. I quickly just put all these shakers out and sent some photos to some people. My brother's going to take 2 of them and my brother-in-law is going to take 1 of them. So these 3 are going to be up for grabs. I asked Alan to ask his coworkers. Otherwise, I'm just going to post it on Instagram. I also have so many. I'm going to say at least like 12 to 15 in this little cubby. These ones are all used and mine, but honestly, I don't need them all. So it's like, I don't know if I should go through them and throw some out or what. Okay, I doubted myself. There's actually 16 of them. These are all the colors I have and like I love them, but like, do I need this many? No. I totally lied. I have 17 because I have this pink one that is brand new. So yeah, I definitely don't need this many. I think for sure I'll keep this new pink one. Also, I have 2 white ones, so I think I'll keep 1 for sure. This one is more damaged, so I'm gonna keep this one. I'll for sure keep a black one. I'll keep the burgundy one. And I feel like I should keep one of the blue ones. Maybe I'll keep the darker one. Maybe I'll keep a green one and the rest I'll get rid of. So in this little cubby, we have photos. I already went through them. So this stuff we're just gonna pile and take it to my mother-in-law's. And this little one is like pantry stuff, which I'm still using. So I'm gonna keep that there. And then these 2 little cubbies, as you can see, are like board games. We play board games, but like some of these we don't really play. So I feel like we can just put them on Facebook Marketplace and sell them. We have this automatic shuffler that we bought and we've literally never used it. So I think we're gonna sell that. Blockus, we don't play too much, but it is fun, so I think I'm gonna keep it. Sorry, I will keep. Battleship, I will keep. New phone, who dis? Honestly, it's basically like Cards Against Humanity. It's just a different version. So I think I'll sell this one because we have Cards Against Humanity and I think I'd rather keep that one. We have so many decks of cards, which is just super unnecessary. So I think I'm gonna just keep 2 of them. I have 5, I'll keep 2. Apples to Apples. Honestly, I used to play this a lot as a kid. This was like one of my mom's favorite games. I don't think we've touched this though, like I wanna say in like 5 years. So I think we should sell it. Connect 4, I will keep. We have had this Monopoly for so long and I don't know if you guys can tell, it is not even opened. So I think I'm gonna sell this one. Codenames and Sequence are some of our favorite games. We probably play this the most, so we'll keep it. I don't know what this is. Word mixers, I'll get rid of that. Food and drink trivia, I'll get rid of that. Our Moments, conversation starters for great relationships. I think Alan and I played this one, so I don't know. I'll ask him about it. I'll put it in the middle. If he wants to keep it, we'll keep it. If he doesn't, we'll sell it. This one is kind of fun, kind of dumb. I think we'll get rid of it because we don't play it that often. And then Categories. Huge fan favorite, so I'll keep that. These games, I don't know, we'll get rid of them. Tipsy Tower, I will keep, and that's that. I think these like little games, I'll either donate or I might possibly give it to one of my workers. He has like some young kids, so maybe they'll like it. And then these 3 games I'll put on Facebook Marketplace to sell. Hi, good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. I'm just calling because, so my husband and I are currently renting a condo in Burlington, but we're going to be moving at the end of the month and we're not transferring like our hydro to our new location. So I'm just wondering, can I put a cancellation date for the end of the month? Officially, our last day is November 30th. Okay, yeah, that's fine because, oh yeah, it is a Saturday, right? Yeah, okay, so the 29th. Yeah, that's fine. Now for November, obviously we still have to pay for the hydro, so can I like give you my forwarding address, like so we're my new address, so that you can send my invoice there? Okay, awesome, thank you so much. Okay, bye. Hydro is all sorted. Now I'm on a chat with Sonnet, which is where we have our house insurance, and I'm trying to do the same thing. I'm just talking to a live agent. We're not going to be moving for another like 2.5-ish weeks, but I'm just putting like these cancellation dates in so that I don't have to deal with it, because I know when we're actually moving like all of our stuff, it's just going to be too chaotic. So it's good that I can like give them the date ahead of time and then it's just kind of done. This morning I just paid our home insurance for this month, so the only thing I'm gonna have to pay moving forward is this $26 difference, which is great. So we're making progress, guys. So later that weekend we headed to my mother-in-law's just to do a few things. So first thing on the list, I had to switch the light bulbs that I bought from IKEA because We didn't like the warm light that we bought. We wanted something that was more white to match our neon sign. And then I just brought a few things over from our condo. So one is this like little red light. My mother-in-law actually bought this for me for my birthday a few years ago, and it's stunning. I love it so much. Then there's a few things that I want to do in terms of like personal touches for our room. So I bought this very cute outlet cover thing that has butterflies on it. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. And if you guys know, I associate butterflies with my mom who passed away, so it's just a little personal touch. Then I also bought this glass cover top thing from IKEA to put on our dresser. And the last thing we did is finishing up vinyling the closet. As you can see, we didn't paint the shelving, we're actually vinyling it, and it looks amazing. It's about a week later, and we're also 1 week out from moving, and I don't know if you guys can tell, the condo's a bit chaotic. Like, there's a lot going on right now. We had 2 metal shelves here. This one I sold like a week and a half ago, and this one was like a really tall one. Somebody is gonna come pick that up in an hour, so I just cleaned it and put it at the front door. All of the stuff that was on that shelf I put in this box. I'm going to put the rice cooker up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and then I had a lot of like pantry items, snacks on there, so I threw that in a little bin because we're gonna take that to my mother-in-law's. I also did have these like little organizers. I think I'm gonna sell them because I have 4. There's 3, I don't know where the other one is, but I'm just gonna clean them up and sell them. I had one for like rice, one for cereal, one for nuts, and then the other one I think I used for oatmeal. I also put up our microwave for sale literally 15 minutes ago, and somebody already said they want it, so I'm gonna clean it up also right now. She said she's gonna come in like 2 hours, so I kind of just want to get it done. I probably could have sold this microwave for a little bit more money. We bought it for like $160 from Costco, and we're selling it for $50, but it's fine. We're kind of just trying to get rid of things because we don't have much time left here, and we want to get rid of as much as we can so we have less to bring with us to Brampton or for the move. Just finished the inside. There was literally so much like exploded butter at the roof of it. Oh well. Anyways, I have this microwave cooktop. I don't know what it is exactly, but they're wipes. So I'm gonna use that for the outside on the stainless steel part. I actually love this microwave, but one thing I will say, because it is silver, like it gets so dirty so fast, or at least like it looks super dirty, just because like even handprints, you see them. I think eventually next time when we get another microwave, when we move out of my mother-in-law's, I'll have to get like a black one. Then we headed over to Best Buy to take advantage of some Black Friday sales. Specifically, we're looking to get a new TV. We're having a bit of a dilemma. We found this 50-inch, and honestly, it's a really good price for such a big TV, and the 50-inch is actually better quality because it's a Q5 class, where the 43-inch is only an S class. So for what, like 60 bucks more? I don't know. We're kind of thinking the 50-inch now. We decided on the 50-inch TV, and then we got this extendable tilt wall mount so that we can actually put it up. Then we headed over to IKEA to pick up one last thing, I hope, because honestly, we've been living at IKEA. It is this lac like shelf unit. It's actually very cute. I just want to use it to store like photos, just little tiny trinkets like that. We got to my mother-in-law's house and we started working on things pretty much right away. So we built the wall mount, put it on the wall with the TV, and then we got working on the shelf. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for part 3, which will be the final part of us packing and just finally moving.